Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open the hood of a Hyundai Tucson. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Then, locate the interior hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, down by the floorboard, often to the left of the brake pedal. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of the vehicle, indicating the primary latch has released. After pulling the interior release, proceed to the front of your Tucson. The hood will be slightly ajar, lifted by about 1 or 2 inches. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, feeling along the underside of the hood's front edge. You are looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. It is typically located directly in the center, often near the Hyundai emblem. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to disengage it. This usually involves pushing the lever to the left or sliding it sideways. While holding this latch in the released position with one hand, use your other hand to lift the hood fully upwards. The hood should now swing open freely, allowing you complete access to the engine bay. To keep the hood securely open, find the metal prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip the rod and extend it. Look for a small, designated hole or slot on the engine bay frame, usually near the front or side. Insert the end of the prop rod into this slot to hold the hood firmly in place, preventing it from accidentally closing while you are working.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.